Most people talk about karma as if it's a punishment or some mystical revenge, but that idea oversimplifies something far more profound. Karma is not about cosmic payback. It is not the universe waiting to strike you for doing something wrong. Karma is simply the natural law of cause and effect. Every action creates a ripple. Every intention carries momentum, and every choice shapes the direction of your future. Karma does not judge you. It does not moralize. It does not divide your life into good or bad. Karma is neutral, like gravity. If you drop a stone, it falls. If you plant a seed, it grows. If you act with clarity, your life moves in the direction of clarity. If you act from confusion, you generate more confusion. Karma is the mirror through which reality responds to how you show up in each moment. This means karma isn't just something that happens to you, it's something you are constantly generating. You and your future are not separate. Your actions are the bridge between them. And because of that, karma is not a prison, but a form of freedom. When you understand the connection between action and outcome, you gain the ability to influence your path. Karma becomes a tool for foresight. By observing the patterns of your behavior, you can anticipate the trajectory those patterns will create. And yes, karma can absolutely feel like a reward. If your actions are rooted in honesty, generosity, clarity, and presence, life responds with opportunities, support, inspiration, and peace. These are not random blessings. They are the natural consequences of aligned action. Just as negative actions carry challenging results, positive actions carry uplifting results. Karma is always working, not only when something goes wrong, but also when something goes beautifully right. So, what is karma in its simplest form? Karma is the architecture of consequence. It is the imprint of your choices. It is the unfolding of cause and effect across your life. It is the law that ensures nothing is lost and nothing is accidental. When you start to see karma clearly, you stop imagining it as fate and begin recognizing it as responsibility and empowerment. Every moment becomes an opportunity to plant seeds that will shape the future you are moving toward. Karma is not here to punish or reward you. It is here to remind you that you are always creating. With every word, every thought, every decision, you are writing the next chapter of your life.